Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix an unidentified error code when you're trying to buy a game on the PlayStation 5 store. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're trying to buy a game from the PlayStation Store and an unidentified error occurred, how would you go ahead and fix this? Well, the first thing you want to try is going up to settings right here and selecting this and going down to users and accounts. Then under accounts, go over to payment and subscriptions. Then you can go to payment methods and you can see your credit card in here and you can press options on it. I would suggest removing it and then re-adding it to your PlayStation just to see if that fixes the problem. Also, be aware if your credit card is from a different region than the PlayStation Store or your PlayStation account. This may be one of the things that's causing the problem. So go ahead and get a credit card and set everything to the same region. Now, if you're on the PlayStation Store and you're like in Europe, if you go to the store right here, then on the top, you can go to these three little dots where it says more. And you should have an option on here called like storefront or something like that. And you can change it from like the Netherlands over to like Germany, etc. if you're in Europe. Go ahead and just see if that fixes the problem. Then if you go back to settings right here and go to users and accounts, we can try adding some money to our account instead of just buying it outright. So if we go to payment methods and subscriptions and then going to add funds right here, add funds to your wallet, select your credit card or your PayPal account under here and add like $60 to your account, etc. You might have to add a little bit more to cover like the taxes, so you might want to add like $65, etc. And then try buying the games after doing that. Then if that still doesn't work, a good thing to just double check is to go to account and then go to your sign-in ID right here, your email address, and change your email address. Let's say you're using like a one-time use kind of email address or something that isn't really supported on PlayStation anymore, like Proton. Go ahead and just doing an email address that's like a basic one like gmail.com or AOL.com or yahoo.com, hotmail.com, etc. And just use that email address and see if that would allow you to actually buy a game. There may be something with your email address not being valid anymore, just because it's like what I said, like a one-time use one. And this may help it work as well. Another thing to try is when you have the item in the actual shopping cart, and I got nothing in there right now. When you do have something in the shopping cart, continually spam like the buy or purchase button and just see if that helps it go. It might deny you, but like after doing it like 15 to 20 times, one of the purchases actually might go through. Now, if all that doesn't work on your PlayStation, try the mobile app or go to PlayStation.com and buy and add funds to your wallet or just get the game. So if I go to the PlayStation Store and then just type in PS app, so here's PlayStation app right here. Open this up and install and sign in with the same email address and password as your PS account. So here's Timbo Slicin'. If I go to the store on the bottom, I can literally just buy the game on here and then use the credit card. I can go to the settings options and go to payment methods under here. So here's my wallet balance, my payment methods, etc. And I've used this to buy games in the past and it works quite well. Then you can download it to your PlayStation 5 directly from the app itself. So like if I want to launch or download Elden Ring, I easily could. So it says play on the console right here. Now, the last thing I can think of that you can go ahead and try is going to settings once again, then going to users accounts. Then under here, instead of going to account, scroll on down to where it says other. Then go on over to restore licenses. And if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. So if you select restore, all the games and apps will close. Just go ahead and press X on here and try this out and see if this works as well. So hopefully one of these steps actually did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.